Healing benefits of massage. Life in modern times has become very luxurious in some ways. Most people who live in cities and towns do little physical labor. The demands of their jobs don't allow them to participate in activities that make their muscles work. Coupled with not enjoying fresh air, naturally grown foods, or sunlight, their systems become imbalanced. Constant worry and stress about increase the accumulation of toxins in their system. The best, easiest, and most natural remedy for all of these problems is massage. If the entire body cannot be massaged, at least a foot massage should be done each night before going to sleep. The head should be given a massage once or twice a week or every third day. Regular massage given even once or twice a week prevents the development of many skin disorders, such as eczema, blisters, scabies, and seborrhea. It also increases stamina, patience, self-confidence, forbearance, wit and intelligence, sexual vitality, and physical beauty. Massage is therapeutically used for neurasthenia, headaches, insomnia, gout, polio, obesity, arthritis, blood pressure irregularities, asthma, and mental disorders. Massage increases the body's production of white blood corpuscles and antibodies, which provide resistance against viruses and diseases produced by infections. It helps the defense mechanisms of the body and strengthens the immune system. Massage also increases the body's ability to adapt to sudden changes in temperature and atmospheric pressure, as well as to other environmental changes. Regular massage helps balance the three body humors, known in Ayurveda as doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. It also establishes balance among the three fundamental principles: Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. These principles will be discussed later in the text. I love it when my friends, move their lips around. When massage is adopted as a daily practice, it offers many pleasurable benefits. Body heat and vitality increase as the circulatory and respiratory systems are open to provide fresh oxygen and vital energy in the form of nutrient material. Simultaneously, waste gases and toxins are flushed from the system.